Hey, morning, lunchtime, I think almost. Guys, it's Tuesday, the 16th November. Okay, let's quickly have a quick look. Let's see what Bitcoin is up to today and yesterday. Whoa, nice drop. Okay, so we all knew about this, right? Remember from my video last week and also from the chart I posted yesterday before it actually happened. Um, so let me just quickly have a look and give you an update where we are. Um, all right, so I did tell you guys about this last week and the week before about this ABC. I'm waiting for this to happen, and then we get a nice bull run from there. Well, we hope that is the number two, or if it's a wave three on top here, a wave four, and then one more final wave five up to finish that bull run, and then we're going to be in a big correction. But for now, we're concentrating on getting back in at these levels. All right. So what happened yesterday? Okay, so if I show you, let me go to 1 hour chart. Let me give you more detail. Those on the Facebook page, you would have noticed yesterday's post. I said, anyone shorting Bitcoin? And I made a joke about it. Anyway, so there's my green arrow, there's my line, and I said, okay, time to short this thing. I got in perfectly at the top level there. And then now I'm riding the 5 wave down to these levels down here. Now, that is what I'm doing for Bitcoin at the moment. Now, guys, don't panic. It is only the correction which we mentioned. So we've got our, if I just quickly recap, we've got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, and that's a wave one, wave two, and now we're building a wave three down here, then a full correction, and then another low five. So all the guys will be buying a dip right here, thinking, oh yeah, here we go. Sorry, dude, we're still doing one more five. Then, only then can we go. All right, so it's wave C in a correction is always 5 waves. Let me just fix my chart here. So this is my one. I'm going to move it to there. I can't believe how I've actually hit it to the cent, to the pip. So that's perfect. Look at this number two right there as well. Now, if you look at my images, you would have seen I have not moved those things yet. Now, obviously, guys, that was just random. That was just pure luck. I mean, I put these 5 waves down for you guys as a guide to see where we are going. That's my projections, not actual price movement. So I got very lucky just placing it there. So the three, I don't know, let's just put it here, and then the four will be around about there somewhere, and then five a bit lower down here. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for now. So today being Tuesday, after the Monday and last night's heavy drop, I want to finish down here and then start giving us a 3 wave correction for wave four, and then we'll look at another dip. Right. So just give it some time. We've got until what's today? Today is the 16th. So this will probably end on the weekend, and then probably from the 21st, 22nd, maybe 20th. I don't know. That's the sort of timeline we're looking at for this thing to start turning around. If I zoom in more, I've got 5 waves building in my wave three. For those who are still learning Elliott wave count, I will have my Discord channel up and running hopefully today, tomorrow. But if I just add some counts here for you, so if I go, that is my little one, my little two, my little three, my wave four, and now we're ending wave five down here somewhere. Once this is done, we will get a 3 wave correction, so be an A, a B, and a C like this, and then we'll rinse and repeat the fives all the way down to the fives there. Okay, so that is how Elliott wave works, and this is how I knew to get in. I want to teach this in my Discord channel, but if I'm going to tell you guys about it, let me just quickly give you my reasons. So I had my 5 waves down, okay, and then I had my ABC correction. If you guys can see my gray box, I always have my gray boxes in areas where I anticipate turning points or entry and exits. So it hit exactly to the T, and that's why my alarm was hit on for this to remind me we're up here. And then what I'll do is I'll look at price action. What are the candles doing? What is the volume doing? What is all these things doing? How many counts do I have? And if I go inside here, if that's my A, it's my B. My C must have small waves, 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there we go. So that is how I anticipated my entry point. For those who are still getting into this, once you enter here, always have your stops way above there somewhere. But this lot I'll be teaching in my classes. All right, so now we're looking for the moves down. Let me go 4 hour quickly. Guys, just hang on for this to finish off. Don't panic now. Just hang on. I've got these 3 lines here. There's a dotted line at 58. I've got my solid line at 56, and I've got my another dotted line, which is my 53,000. Now, these are my personal targets where it should reach, okay? If it gets near, it's what we call a running flat. So there's my line there. Sorry, there's my line there, a running flat. If I get a normal flat, I know it's confusing, but this is what they call an Elliott wave. You get different patterns. Maybe you get zigzags, you get triangles, and so on. If this is a expanding flat, which I think this probably could be, that's why I've got my dotted lines down here. I have my levels down here for what is this? 52,972. So it's 53,000. So roughly, if you look at 53,000 level, guys, this is probably the worst case where I think it will turn around. And after that, we can look for a reaction, see if it does a little impulsive for us. And at any point it gives us a correction, that is your time to get in and buy. All right, but I'll teach you all this in my Discord channel. So contact me on that. Okay, guys, good luck, and I'll try and keep you posted. But yeah, a bit busy today. Thanks, guys. Bye.